Namaste everyone, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. So today's tutorial is all about Kapal Bhati Pranayama. So as we already know that breath is extremely precious for us, and the quality of your breath will determine how healthy you are, not just on the physical level but on the subtle level also. So Kapal Bhati Pranayama, in English it is known as the skull shining breathing technique. So Kapal refers to the frontal part of our head, this part of our head. And Bhati refers to the glow, refers to the shine, but that does not mean that the skull starts shining or it starts glowing once you are practicing Kapal Bhati. No. So it just means that it will help you sharpen your intellect. It is one of those pranayama which will help you increase your memory, your concentration power. At the same time, since the abdominal region is involved very much in Kapal Bhati Pranayama, it is more like a massage for the abdominal organs. And at the same time, it will help you improve your metabolism. And in any kind of pranayama that you are doing, you are basically releasing all the toxins from your breath. So as per the scientific research, more than 90% of the toxins are released from your breath. So Kapal Bhati Pranayama will definitely help you improve your blood circulation also, since the toxins are getting released. But apart from the benefits, we have to know about the contraindications also. So every pranayama has got certain benefits and certain contraindications. So when it comes to the contraindications, since the abdominal region of the body is involved, so women who are in their pregnancy, they should be avoiding Kapal Bhati Pranayama. At the same time, if someone is suffering from ulcer or maybe someone has gone through some abdominal surgeries, so you'll have to be very careful while doing Kapal Bhati Pranayama. At the same time, people suffering from high blood pressure or low blood pressure or people having any heart diseases should be avoiding it. So these are the benefits and the contraindications of Kapal Bhati Pranayama. So let's move on to the demonstration part. So whenever you are doing Kapal Bhati Pranayama, there is active exhalation and passive inhalation. Whenever you are exhaling out, your stomach should go in. And whenever you are inhaling, that will be more passive. It will happen automatically without making any efforts. So make sure that whenever you are breathing out, your stomach goes in. It should not come out. So it should go in. So while practicing Kapal Bhati Pranayama, both the palms will be rested on the thighs and we have to keep our spine straight. If you think that your stomach might go out when you are exhaling, you can keep a check on your tummy by resting your palm on it also, not a problem. And once you become more proficient, once you advance in your yogic practices, you can rest your palm on your thighs also. So let's get ready now by closing our eyes, keeping our spine straight, shoulders relaxed. A beautiful, gentle smile on your face. Let's keep our chin parallel to the floor. Body well rested on your mat. Let's get ready for Kapal Bhati. And you may relax your body. And let's keep our eyes closed. Let's keep our spine straight. Let's keep breathing normally now. Let's get ready for the second round. And you may once again relax the body. Let's all take a normal long deep breath in now. And you may breathe out effortlessly. And slowly, let's take our awareness towards our body and the surroundings. And very gently and very gradually, you may open your eyes. So this was Kapal Bhati Pranayama. Now we have to remember that you can do this kind of pranayama for 3 sets for 30 repetitions each. So 30 into 3 sets, 30 repetitions into 3 sets. So Kapal Bhati Pranayama, it is usually done before your meditation practice or before your yoga practice. And you can definitely do it after your yoga practice also, since the abdominal region is very much involved. So we must do it on an empty stomach. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. And please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions of any sort, you can drop your comments in the comment section below, and we are super quick in answering to everything. So thank you so much, everyone. We will see you in the next tutorial. Namaste.